Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up costing in NetSuite. Navigate to Setup, Accounting, Inventory Costing Preference. In the Schedule Inventory Costing field, you'll find 3 options to choose from. After transaction entry, based on custom schedule, every hour. Each option determines how frequently NetSuite processes inventory costing. If you select after transaction entry, NetSuite will process inventory costing immediately after each transaction is entered. However, please note that this option is no longer available in newer versions of NetSuite. If you select based on custom schedule, you'll have the option to specify the earliest run time and latest run time for when inventory costing should be processed within the day. Notice that when after transaction entry is selected, these fields are grayed out as they are not applicable to this option. You can also check the option Respect Inventory Costing Time Restrictions on Weekends if you want to prevent inventory costing from running during weekends. If you select Every Hour, inventory costing will be processed automatically on an hourly basis throughout the day. Notice that when every hour is selected, these fields are also grayed out. Next, you'll find the Use Cost Estimate for Negative Inventory option, where you can choose from the following cost estimate methods: average cost, 0, last purchase price. This setting determines how NetSuite will handle negative inventory situations. Lastly, there's the Use Exact Cost for Linked Returns option. Exact cost will be used for returned items. Once you've configured all necessary settings, click Save to apply and store your inventory costing preferences. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.